Going on, guys? Carman 10 back at it again with another video. And today we are going to be filling in all our positions and to be elite in NBA Live Mobile. So I'm gonna go. So our first position is gonna be power forward for our shooting lineup, and see if we can get something for 70K. Okay, perfect. Draymond Green. You can get him. Okay, and then next one is gonna be like, see what we could get for 100K for power forward for the big man. Okay, the special ability can work out, but go with David West. But let's see, Dirk Nowitzki has a good 3-point shot. Blake Griffin, Draymond Green. See what we could get. Hold on, 50K. Okay, we have either one of those three guys. Ooh. We also have a Louis Scola and a Derek Williams. Derek Williams doesn't look too bad. What the heck? We're probably gonna go for Anthony Davis or Derek Williams, because it's not too bad. Okay, so we're gonna go for Derek. Well, let's see if we could get a better one. 80. Okay, guys, so I checked in. There's no 87s up, so we're gonna get Derek Williams, and then I'm gonna see what the small forwards for the small ball. So I'll see you guys when we get one. Okay, guys, so I think we found one. I'm not going to go for this Jimmy Butler, but we're actually going to go for the Paul George. And then we are going to try and fill out our summer lineup. So I'll see you guys when we get players. Okay, guys, so I figured we are not going to go for the summer court lineup because they're too expensive. So, and we don't even need them, I don't think. So, I guess we could try and get a player. I mean, well, maybe we could open up some more packs. We'll see. But I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I guess we're gonna open these 4 packs, and then I'm probably gonna end the video. But we didn't really. Oh, I could have got that Giannis, but 94 overall, but I don't think I would, because I'm trying to get Bernard King and. Okay, another pro pack. And I was trying to get Bernard King, and I'm trying to get Bernard King. Sorry, guys. And so trying to get to him for 97 overall, so I figured, nah. And I may be opening a bundle today, so stay tuned. So I'm going to open this Summer Courts Elite Player Pack. Let's see what we get. Gerald Green. Not really a great pull, but stay tuned. See if I open let's see if hold on. Yes, but stay tuned because I might be opening a bundle. So I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe if you're new. Peace out.